Today we will discuss molecular structure of furan. We can see there are 4 carbon atoms in furan and 4 hydrogen atoms, including 1 oxygen atom. So we can see the hybridization of carbon atom. The configuration of carbon is like this: 1s2, 2s2 in 2px, 2py and 2pz, in 2px 1 electron and 2py 1 electron. When it goes in hybridization state, 1 electron from here migrates to this pz orbital. So we have sp2 hybrid orbitals like this. Px, 2py and 2pz. 1 electron from here goes to pz orbital. These 3 orbitals hybridize, giving 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Having 1 electron each and 2 pz orbital having 1 electron. Similarly, if we look at oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, having 8 electrons like this, 2px having 2 electrons, 2py 1 and 2pz. When it goes in hybridization state, 1 electron from here migrates to 2pz orbital. These orbitals undergo in hybridization, or we can say in Sankaran. 3 new hybrid orbitals are obtained. 1 2px orbital having 2 electrons, 2py having 1 electron and 2pz having 1 electron. Sorry, these are hybrid orbitals. 3 hybrid orbitals: sp2, sp2, sp2 and 1 2pz orbital having 2 electrons. If we draw the structure, we can see so each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, having 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals at 120 degree apart. So they are in one plane. 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals one of sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with the 1s orbital of hydrogen, forming a sigma bond. Similarly here, C having sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with the other sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon. Similarly, this sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with hydrogen atom, 1s hydrogen atom. Here also the third sp2 hybrid orbital overlaps with the other sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon atom. Similarly, this carbon atom having one hybridized orbital overlaps with one hydrogen atom, and here also oxygen is having pz orbital having 2 electrons and sp2 hybridized orbital having 2 electrons. But this sp2 hybrid orbital is in the plane of these carbon and oxygen molecules in same plane, so it does not participate in the sextet of this system of furane. So only these 2 electrons participate in the sextet of these furane molecule, including 1 electron from each carbon atom in p z orbitals like this. This carbon atom pz orbital having 1 electron each, sidewise overlap with this carbon atom's pz orbitals, forming pi bond. So these 6 electrons, 1 from each carbon atom and 2 from pz orbital of oxygen atom, sidewise overlap forming pi bond. If this is the plane of the molecule, above and below the board, they migrate in these cyclic structures, and the cyclic structure is distorted as oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So these 6 pi electrons attracted towards oxygen and distortion take place. We can show the overlapping, sidewise overlapping of these. sp2 hybridized orbital is in another plane. We can form the structure. like this, and these 6 pi electrons contribute the aromaticity to this molecule. In these cyclic structures, above and below the blackboard, these 6 pi electrons revolves, providing the aromaticity to the molecule. So by this we can explain the aromaticity.